Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to show to you OpenToonz. You can resize a little bit of interface because I'm using for a 2K resolution monitor. It is a lot easier where we have display options, so I can show to you. Display settings, and the thing is, it's not exactly the same like a 2K resolution. I also tried to set value. If you set to 150 OpenToonz, the interface of this program will be much bigger. But I found a solution how to make fonts bigger. Because if icons are small, that's fine. But you can resize the text at least. Because you need to have lots of space when you have workspace. When you rotate canvas. So this option, custom scaling, I found better solution. When you go to local drive OpenToonz stuff, but you have to quit application. Profiles and environment, but make sure you have Notepad++ installed. It is free and open source program, so you can edit config files. We have to scroll down by mouse button. Where is this? Software font size. I will set to 19 because you will see the difference, and we will have to save it. And after that, OpenToonz will have slightly bigger interface. You can see the only icons are smaller, but apart from that, you can see the difference. But I think it shouldn't be big issue. Preferences, interface. I find it easy, but you also have option to change some other settings related to theme. But this config file allows you to change font size within OpenToonz application, because this is free and open source 2D animation tool, and you can work with vector, raster level, Toonz raster level, vector, and raster level, and it is completely free. And also, I will open up project for you to show. I'm working on my new animation. I haven't finished it yet, but you can see at least the font is bigger. This is the most important, so you can see in 2K resolution monitor. And you can also check how this will behave when you work using 4K resolution, because my first PC has got 4K monitor, but that one here 2K. I hope you like my video tutorial, people. But use Notepad. If you don't see Notepad, you can choose another application, because it's not visible by default. Choose an application from your PC, and you choose Notepad++ always. So you can now open by Notepad++. There are some other settings, and could check. Oh, this is interesting. Ink page area eraser vector size. I think what I showed you gets the most important when you scroll by mouse back down. Software current size font. What we have is I can color in to highlight what is the most important. I don't know if this application has that option. To color in this. These two columns are important. But and another thing, but I don't try to do that because if you use option change high DPI settings, I think this doesn't really help. I think I have to deselect. I have to make some changes. Okay, OpenToonz to see what happens because I forgotten to uncheck. Okay, I will uncheck this to see what happens with application alone. Everything stays the same because we manually changed in config file size of the fonts of the program people. And I hope you like my video tutorial. I have to finish my animation. If you are curious how to change opacity of onion skin, you go to File, Preferences, Onion Skin Paper Thickness. If you decrease value, you have darker and more visible onion skin. If we increase, it is barely visible. I will leave that value. Okay. But this is the most important. I have to double check if I can resize icons. I wish they could have added option for icons. Because this is the newest compilation about OpenToonz. Okay, manual. But make sure you check when you go to download the page. You check when you go to download, you choose Nike build. Because this is current compilation which includes new features and bug fixes. Oh, they also released for Mac OS. I don't know if this program works for Linux. It was released as an open source program back to 2016 again. Before that time it was very expensive application. One license used to cost up to $10,000 people. But they made this program free. There is another paid version of the program, but this is fully functional open source program developed by Studio Ghibli 1 ago. And it comes from Digital Video from Italy. But they released the version of open source for people, so it is fully functional without limitations, and you can also export animation to video formats. But make sure you have got this codec, FFmpeg. I downloaded the newest one from December 2025. Also select this if you have multiple processor. Okay, see you people.